Hello guys, this is Gabriel from Orion Audio here, just presenting you some of the products we were launching at CES 2019. You have seen those in the videos and pictures on all over social media, so let me talk a little bit about two of the ones we had in display. First they are amplifiers on the Xtrpro line. So they're not XTR, they're not HECA, they're Xtrpro. And why they are Xtrpro? Because they are mini amps. So as you can see the size here. And now you will say, okay, most of the brands already have mini amps. What's so special about Orion mini amps? What is so special about our amplifiers is that they have a lot of power in a mini amplifier. So let me explain you a little bit. This is the 750.4, so 750 RMS on 4 channels. So as you can see, it has 4 gauge inputs and it has your true terminals. There's no wire hanging around here, it's terminals, okay? And on the other side, you will see that you have all the switches and levels that has the regular XTR amplifiers in this little tiny space. So you'll have low pass, you'll have high pass, you'll have level, you'll have even the power light, protection light. You'll have the 10x switch and the remote punch base as well. You have your 4 channel inputs and you got the output as well. Other thing that is really important about this amplifiers is whatever the name is on the amplifier, for example the 754X, is going to be their true RMS power. Alright, so this is again full digital amplifier in such a little space. Now let me explain you about the other one we have here. Okay, this is a mono channel. We have many of them in the series, as well as an Xtrpro, as you can see. And this one, look at the size. Let me compare it with a phone. This is a phone. You can compare the size of it. And this little amplifier here, it's 1200 RMS. Be sure when you connect it, you're gonna have a little bit over it. You know, we underrate the amplifiers a little bit, but it is true power. Again, in a little tiny amplifier. Here you again has hard terminals that you have to unscrew on the top, and you have 4 gauge. And on this side you got your inputs and outputs for RCAs, all the switches and levels, obviously the crossover and the punch base remote as well. Okay, if you got any questions so far from these amplifiers, let us know. Keep track on the social media. We're going to be launching some more products soon. This should be available maybe spring break, so stay tuned for them. I know we have some pending giveaways. We've been so busy with CES shows, you know, Christmas sales and everything, but we're on it, so stay tuned. In a short while, we're gonna give those winners. And hit us with any questions, any products you wanna see on the videos, let us know.